Okay, working on the firewall. First thing I'll do is cut me out a template. I'll do one side, cut two pieces, one for one side, one for the other. The good news is that template fits both sides. So once I cut it out for one side, it works on both sides. Got lucky there. So I need the firewall in there so I can finish the front of the floorboard up here. Almost done with the back. Piece of cake back there. This up here, not so much a piece of cake, but we're gonna get it. Already got the driver's side piece cut out. I gotta clean up the edges a little bit, and I rolled over this edge here because it's gonna be exposed. Best word I could get for it. All right, that's where we at. Yeah, I got her fitting pretty good. Rolled me some beads in it. Just got the magnets holding it in place right now. I gotta cut the old firewall out and then weld that one in. Is the plan. That's what I'm planning on doing. Yeah, that'll work. Okay, got the firewall built, tacked in. I went ahead and welded it together right there. So yeah, I can weld. When I clean it up and paint it, you won't be able to tell it's welded together there. And I'm gonna do the same thing around the edges. When I pull the body off the frame, get it separated, I'm gonna come in, weld it all the way around, smooth it down, where it looks like it's all one piece. Not gonna be, I got thinking about it, it's probably not gonna be too many stitches on this car. I'm probably gonna weld up everything, smooth it down, including that. Since it's fitting so good already, I'm just gonna weld it up, smooth it down. You won't be able to even tell it was cut. Well, that's the plan anyway. And yeah, just in case you're wondering, after I got this other firewall made, I cut the old one out before I welded, tacked a new one in. Yeah, dull pliers seem to work good, but I guess the rubber, China don't know how to make no good rubber, I don't guess. I mean, this here was just sitting in the toolbox. Last time I put it in, it was good. When I went to get it out, it was like that, just sitting in the toolbox, it busted open, so I don't know what's up with that. But that's where we at. Firewall done, now I can come in. I'll go ahead and put the framing in all the way up to the front for the floorboard. And finish this little bit of framing in the back. And I can go ahead and build the transmission tunnel and put the floorboard in it. Moving right along. Yeah, now I got to make a windshield frame. We're getting close. Getting close. I don't think it'll be too much longer. It depends on the weather and the heat. I don't think it'll be too much longer. We'll be putting this thing in paint. Put the paint on it. Once I'm done with the floorboard transmission tunnel, there's not a lot left. I think at that point I'm gonna go ahead and tear it all down, get the body off the frame, get the body finished welded up, smoothed down. Got to patch the bottom of the doors. Got to patch the bottom of this cowl over here. And then paint it up. Get the windshield frame made. paint it. Get the chassis. I got some more welding to do on some stuff I've been adding, like that. Got to weld that up. And I got a bunch of stuff in here on the frames. Got to be welded, finished welding. So get the frame, get all that welded up, cleaned up, painted. We got a lot of parts to paint. Gonna be a lot of parts to paint. All right. Appreciate you.